Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for Russian lesson number 4. In this video, we'll continue building on that we are learning so far and take your Russian to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a lesson. Let's get started. Привет! Now I want to continue with a polite form. In Russian, we use the second plural version. Вы, you. But this is polite official form and write the capital V. Always capital V. This letter always used be this word always you have to use in formal version, also to young people. Otherwise, you might be misunderstanding. And so please use вы to anyone you know or don't know. And so this is вы, you in polite form. And the letter very difficult to not Russian people or not Slavic people, because you have come to movement or learn the strangest, the most difficult sound. Remember, it's not the E, not V. It's U. You have to push the back of your tongue very low and open your throat. In fact, it's called guttural E. But E we say with only teeth and tongue, E. Like then you pronounce B, error, but with a slight smile to pronounce the E sound. And so E became Ü with open throat. I recommended that you practice pronouncing this letter correctly right now, so that you can understand it better and Russian will understand you better too. And so, вы. Other pronoun is мы. We are. Мы. Ты, you, ты. And so, вы in plural, you plural, вы. With your Russian friends and people you already know, you can speak them informally, using the ты. So, if you have close Russian friend, you can say ты. But if you don't have close people to you, like waitress or people never seen before, it's better to use вы. And another pronoun, они. Они. The O became A, and this is they. In Russian, plural form has no gender, and so you can use only one, no gender. Кто? Они. Кто они? Кто они? Who are they? Кто они? Они люди. They are people. Кто они? Они люди. And so, let's repeat the personal pronouns. Я. I. Of course, I am, but now I will not put the verb. Also because in Russia, I remember we don't use the verb in present. Я. Ты. You. For your friend. Он. He. Она. She. Оно. It. Мы. Remember, мы. We. Вы. In plural. Or вы. Полит. Вы. Always remember to low down your throat, your tongue. You. And они. They. Always remember to pronounce the letter U correctly. Try swallowing the back of your tongue. It's like then you pronounce the letter U, but you have to smile. Ooh, ooh. And so, let's see other Cyrillic letters. The letter J. Like in French, journal, the resemblance as the K, but symmetrical. Жаль. Pity. Жаль. The letter U. Okay, this is J, like we can put together like, or J French. And so U, but it's pronounced like the English U. Okay. U, J. Already. U, J. Already. Journal. Newspaper. Journal. The newspaper. Что это? Это журнал. Кто это? Это журналист. And so, что это? What is it? This is a newspaper. Это журнал. Кто это? Who is it? Это журналист. it is or he is a journalist. And so today we are learning very well the strangest letter in Russian language, U. We repeated the pronouns я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. And the letters Ž and U. And so, let's see you on the next lesson, number 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss a lesson. Пока! Bye-bye!